Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back after taking a few days off this week. Went out of town, took a bit of a break, but I'm back and I decided to catch this trade, the Euro Aussie. I got in right where this arrow is, right here. Everything according to my pip trigger rules was telling me to sell, so I took the trade. Went a little bit against me right here, but not too much. Came close. Let's see, 16 pips. Never did hit my 20 pip stop. And I actually walked away from the computer. Probably would have closed it in this area. But anyhow, when I came back to the computer just now, and I see that it's coming very close to my 40 pip target. Doesn't mean I'm going to aim for 40 pips, but that's my 20 pip stop, and that's 40 pips, and I'm up right now. Looks like around 28 or 29 pips. So if it stalls around here a little bit too long, I'll just call it a day and close the trade. As I was saying, it's the London closes here, and it went almost 100 pips, 95 pips, and is starting to stall out. If it breaks the bottom, then it'll hit my target, and if not, I'll just close out the trade, because as you see down here, the green box just lit up, which means I'm within around 9 pips away from my target. Just goes to show you can trade outside of the box. Ideally, if I was in front of the computer earlier, I would have caught this pullback here in a downtrend. This pullback right here. And then, but I wasn't too far off from it. It's only 12 pips where I did get in. Love doing these euro and pound pairs, according to how I explain it in my training videos. Euro Aussie does over 112 pips a day. Today went 136 pips, and that's why this red line is solid. Here's the low over here. Go to a little bit higher time frames. It started over here through the Asian and went up, and then it did a reversal. That's why I don't like to leave a trade run through the London session, because either A, it can keep going and give me lots of pips, but it also can take all your pips back. That is if I would have got in over here. I would have given all the pips back. Don't like to do that. Traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back. Decided to close the trade as it's bouncing around here and not breaking the bottom. So as I said earlier, I got in where this arrow right here, which happened to be about quarter after 10 New York time, and I just closed it for about 30 pips. There's about 30 pips there for a little over $2,000, as you can see down at the bottom right corner. So for my first day back this week in front of the charts trading, I'm happy to see that one trade, and I'm very happy with the results. And you do have to be a little bit careful after the London close. It's due for a pullback, and which is exactly what it's doing. So if you want to be able to trade like this, you can certainly learn as I give a lot of videos. I do have a special package. Some traders were saying that I was giving too much, which is, I don't know why. The more education you get, you need a lot of education to actually get over the hump and become a successful trader. But I reduced the price slightly, and I'm offering my best 2 pip triggers, which happen to be number 1 and number 3. Number 1 is the one you're looking at, and number 3 is with Bollinger Bands. Those are my 2 favorites, and I find those 2 are the easiest to trade. as far as I'm concerned. Look right below this video, get some information, or I could show you the Word document on it. Right in here, it's my pip trigger system. It's $200. You get over 2 gigabytes of training. Exact copy of my platform. There are 43 PDF books as a bonus, and 37 training videos for the pip trigger system. So like it says here, after 8 years of testing over 700 systems, I narrowed it down to my best 2 trading systems, how to trade the MACD and how to trade Bollinger Bands. Of course, if you want to see all of my systems, all 12 of them, you can click on this link. And you can read the rest in case you have any other interest. So if you want to improve your trading, I highly recommend you get your hands on the pip trigger. Works great for me, and I'm quite sure if you study the course and paper trade, you can actually learn also the same way how to trade. If you want to get in touch with me, call me directly, and if you live too far away, just Skype me, or you can email me. I do prefer Skype screen sharing. If you want to see more charts and you want some more tips and tricks, I can certainly do that for you. I do that for free, by the way. No obligation. It'll surely help your trading. So just get in touch with me and we can move forward from there. Okay, if you like this video also, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, happy trading.